What days do you work? I work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't work Wednesday. Wow, that is a nice schedule. Yeah, but I sometimes work on Saturday. What about you? I work Monday to Friday. I never work on Saturday or Sunday. What do you do on the weekend? I work in my garden. When do you study on the weekend? I study on Saturday morning. Really? I never study on Saturday. When do you study? I only study on Sunday night. Oh, I never study on Sunday. Sunday is my fun day. What days do you have English class? I have class on Monday and Thursday. When do you have math class? I have math class every day. What about history class? I have history class on Wednesday. Wow, you have a busy schedule. I know. When do you play soccer? I play on Tuesday and Friday nights. Nice. I only play on the weekends. Really? Can I play with you? Yes, we play on Saturday and Sunday at the park at 10. Great. See you this weekend. See you then.